What if you could practice English at home and nobody would laugh at you? What if you could improve even faster than in a class? Even when you're alone, you can. This video is for you. Close your eyes for 1 second and imagine yourself speaking English with confidence. Imagine your words coming out smoothly, without fear. This is possible, and today, you'll learn how to do it alone at home. Keep watching, because this is not boring theory. This is real, and it will work for you. When you're alone at home, you have a secret power. You can practice without judgment. You can speak, repeat, and make mistakes freely. Step 1. Think in English before you speak. Look around your room right now. Say in your mind, "This is my chair. This is my phone. This is my hand." Then, whisper it. Then say it louder. Step by step, you're training your brain to use English naturally. Have you ever wondered why you understand English but can't speak it? It's because you think in your first language first. Change that by thinking in English about simple things around you. Now imagine you're telling a story to yourself. I wake up. I go to the kitchen. I drink water. Use your home as your classroom. When you clean, say, I am cleaning the table. When you cook, say, I am cutting the vegetables. This small habit is powerful. It grows your fluency without stress. You don't need a partner to do this. Your walls, your mirror, your objects become your partners. Every time you describe your actions in English, your brain learns the same way a child learns their first language. And when you feel shy or tired, remember your goal. See your future self speaking clearly, confidently. Feel the pride of that moment. Ask yourself, how would it feel to finally speak without fear? Use that feeling to push yourself. Record your voice on your phone. Listen to it. Talk back to it. This is your private practice ground. Every word you speak at home builds your English muscles. You are not alone on this journey. You are strong, and you can do this. Start today. Practice at home. Think in English. Speak to yourself. Repeat daily. You will see progress faster than you believe. If this video gave you hope, like it now. Comment below your first English sentence today and follow for more powerful English learning tips. I'll see you in the next video.